Susan. Today I am participating in the Crossword Collage Challenge hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. We're on week 18 and I am trying to catch up, so this hopefully will have me caught up. I have these left over. I did one similar on one of my Marguerite Miller collage challenges, and I have these three left over, and I think they're the cutest things, so I'm going to use those in this challenge. And I'm just gonna do a fall collage. So I hope everybody's doing all right. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel, Nellie and Ruth Designs. I love, she does some of the coolest surreal, and I will give that a try. I've tried once and it was a terrible fail, but I am going to give it a try because I love the surreal look of collaging, and it looks like so much fun. And I noticed in this past week, Debbie at My Vagabond Style or My Vagabond Life or My Vagabond Style. I'm sorry, Debbie. I don't know why I get those mixed up. And Pam at Tattered Paper and Lace did surreal, and they were so much fun. It was on number 42 of the Marguerite Miller Collage Challenge. And but it's just so much fun to see that surreal. And so I highly recommend you check out all of their channels. I'll try to remember to list them in my description box. Alright, so now I am going to just add my little duckies down. I just thought these are from Christie's Printables, and she does the cutest printables. She has a group on Facebook that I belong to, and she does beautiful work, and I love her printables, and so I highly recommend you check her out. You'll have to join her group, but she is very generous, and I love them, and they make me happy, and I like anything that's gonna make me happy. I mean, how can you not just fall in love with these little things? So this week is just going to be quick and simple. I'm just trying to get back into the rhythm of things. I still am not 100% better, but I am getting there. And so we'll just do the best we can, huh? So I'm just going to embellish. I've got these little stickers. They're dimensional stickers, puffy stickers. And how many times can I say stickers? And I'm just going to add these around. Use up some of my fall stuff, so next year I'll be able to buy some more, huh? And I'm just going to add that one right there. I know it's an even number, but so it is. And I'm just going to go around I'm just going to use my pen because I can't find my Stabilo. I'm just going to go around my little duckies a little bit, make them pop from the background. As I mentioned in my last video, if you saw it, we're on the last season of Haven, and I just filmed that other video, so I don't have much to add, but I am not liking it so far. I've loved the series. I got concerned in season 4, but they worked it out, and now they're messing with the main character again. And I hope it gets better, because I'm not liking her right now. Those of you who have watched Haven, please give me some hope. If I don't hear from you, I'll wonder. I don't like when they mess with the main characters that you've come to like. I'm still reading a Barbara Michaels book. I can't think of the title of it right now. Most of her books, you know, she was popular, I think, back in the early 80s, in the 70s, because it was the 70s when I discovered her. House of Many Shadows. That was the first book of hers I ever read, and I loved it. And it was in our school library, and I checked it out every year. I checked it out. In fact, my senior year, the librarian said she ought to give it to me for a graduation gift. In fact, I hate to admit this, but I had signed my name back. I think I found it like in the 7th grade, and I had signed my name inside there. I don't know what makes us do things like that as kids. But I do, I've read many of her books, and I've enjoyed them. And I used to, anytime she had a new book come out. I don't know if she's still writing. She's also Elizabeth Peters. She writes under that as well. But I've probably read this one. But I don't remember it. It seems vaguely familiar, but I don't have a clue as to what's really going on. But hers are a little bit on the spooky side. And I do like spooky. Not horror, but I like spooky. Those are so cute. There we go. One more. And I'm about up to rereading the Harry Potters. I generally read them about, once every year or so. And I've always enjoyed those, and I always like rereading the Anne of Green Gables series. All right. Those faces, I love them. Okay. Y'all, you know it's only about 9 weeks to Christmas. That's scary. Because I am nowhere near ready. Well, all right. Now, I'm going to do some splatters. I'll find my paints. There they are. Stick them up under my desk and I have to feel for them. Okay. This is a different gold than I usually use. I'm getting low on it. I got the Van Gogh gold that Barbara of 49 Dragonflies recommends, and it's okay, but I like these in this little palette just as well, I believe, and they're a whole lot cheaper. I think I'm going to add just a little bit of black. I don't know, I may add some, try a little copper. I don't use that much, and this seems like a color for fall. See if it'll bring anything. All right. Well, I'm going to call that done. Short, sweet, but it sure makes me smile. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs, and check out the hashtag 2023cwcollage. And y'all have a great, wonderful day. And until next time, bye y'all.